Welcome to the Q Research database. To access data, code groups need to be built and linked to a project. This video explains how to build ICD-10 code groups. It provides a standalone tutorial, but there is also a text-based user guide available.
First, log in. This takes you to the home page. Select the Libraries tab. This is the library's main page. Start by going to My Code Groups. To create a code group, click on the blue text to the right, Create a new group. Then select the type of data you wish to use from the drop-down menu. For this video we're going to be using ICD-10. Then click Continue. You will then be asked to choose a name for your new group. Let's call this one Heavy Cigarette Smokers, and you have the option to add a description if you wish. I'm going to put, for example, people who smoke 40 plus cigarettes per day. Then click Next. Once you've done this, Q Research will allocate your group a numeric ID. To add codes to the group, click here to start editing. For ICD-10 groups, the default option is Browse, and here you can see the 22 ICD-10 chapter groups. You can click on an ICD chapter name to access the categories and subcategories. To select codes, check one or more checkboxes. To remove, simply uncheck these. You can also select all or remove all. Let's have a look at an example. You can see here that I can select an entire category. And then I can also look at subcategories, adding them, removing them if I change my mind, selecting all, deselecting all. The counter here to the top right keeps track of how many codes you have added. As well as browsing, you can also use the search function. You can search by a word or code number. For example, searching for pancreas brings these results here. Or if you know the number, there we go. Adding and removing. If you want to navigate through the codes, just show you here on the browsing system. So we're going here into the categories, through to the subcategories. Click on this number to return to the category, and click on all to return to all categories. You can view details of your code group by going to My Code Groups and clicking on the name in blue text. This also allows you to edit the group name and description if you wish. Just make changes in the relevant boxes and click Save. You can select Contents to return to the Browse and Search functions, or go to My Code Groups to look at the group again. Once you have added all the codes that you require, you can check in the code groups so that it can be reviewed by another user or used in an approved project. To learn how to do this, see the videos How do I save and check a code group in and out, and How do versions work on the Q Research website, along with the corresponding text-based user guides. Thank you for watching.